Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is their Humpty Dumpty bath bomb from their Easter collection. It is a massive bath bomb. It's 10.5 ounces and it costs $9.95. And I knew instantly when I put this in the water that the color of the water was going to be so pretty. And I also read that there is a hidden bath bomb inside, and it didn't take long to reveal that. The outer piece did fizz really quickly, and not long after I put it in the tub, I can hear it bubbling and making a sound, so I wanted to go ahead and pull it out so I could see what the bath bomb was. You can see it bubbling pretty good. So I went ahead and broke it open. And at first I couldn't tell what the bath bomb was supposed to be, so I kind of dipped it in the water a couple times. And oh my God, it is an egg that is broke open. You can see the yolk in the middle. Such an awesome idea for a bath bomb. I thought this was so cute. It smelled so good. It's supposed to have a sweet scent of toffee caramel to be reminiscent of the Honey I Washed the Kids, which is a very popular product that they have and scent. It also has orange and bergamot in it, so it smelled really good. And here's the little egg bath bomb floating on top once the shell dissolved. And the water was just so pretty, a very unique color. And I just absolutely love it. Definitely worth the $9.95. It's one of their more pricey bath bombs, but it was awesome. If you guys are interested, I will be doing demos for the rest of the Easter collection, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.